Hi, I'm Daniel. And quick question. What if your money could actually grow while you sleep? मतलब while you sleep तुम्हारे पैसे खुद ही बढ़ जाते हैं. Sounds like a cheat code, right? But it's real. That's literally what investing is. Think of investing like planting a money tree. You put in a seed, aka your money, and if you take care of it the right way, it grows into something way, way bigger. And here's the crazy part. You might not know him, but Warren Buffett, one of the richest people alive, started investing when he was just 11. No cap. When other kids were buying candies or toys, Warren bought his first ever stock. That small choice planted his money tree. And that same tree is worth billions of dollars today. So what even is investing? Simple. Instead of spending your cash right now, you can put it into something which can make you more money later. For example, तुम्हारे पास 5,000 rupees है. You could spend it on snacks, video games or hoodie and it's gone. Or you could invest it into something that grows. Now, you might be thinking, why should I care about that? Here's why. The earlier you invest, the more time your money has to grow. Basically, what I'm saying is that the earlier you invest, the richer you'll be. Warren Buffett himself said that his biggest regret was not starting even earlier than 11. Thanks to the power of compounding, we can get more money by waiting. Like our parents say, sabr ka phal meeta hota hai. The power of compounding means that your money gets larger and larger over time. Imagine you put in 1,000 rupees today. That same 1,000 will double every 5 years. So at the end, it's your choice. Spend now for a tiny flex या अपना money tree लगाएं and see how much you get in a few years. Spending gives you happiness for 5 minutes, but investing can give you freedom for life. Warren started young, और देखो वो कहाँ तक पहुँच गए हैं. If he could start his $1 billion journey at 11, why can't we start at 12?